Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about thermostats. I had a call today for no heat at an apartment. We had one of these nice little Honeywell T87s in there, but it wasn't doing what it was supposed to do. I couldn't get the heat to cycle up, so something was going on with that. This does have some electronics in it, but we also have some settings on here. We'll talk about that quick. So if you see, there's two dip switches right here, 1 and 2. You have settings for the cycles per hour. CPH is next to your system types. There: steam, gravity, hot water, gas, oil, electric, warm. So those are cycles per hour, and that gives you some more efficiency with how many times your system will cycle on in an hour. Obviously, that could give you some issues if you're looking for the unit to come on. This doesn't have a heat anticipator for that reason. Heat anticipators do give you a function similar to cycles per hour, but that also gives you some efficiency for your heating systems and your cooling. Now, this is operated off a 24-volt AC from your unit. So you're on heat, you have your R and W wires, your red and white wires going down. So that's what's actually going to pull your contactor in on your heating system. So the 24 volt, there should be 24 volts coming up to this unit. That's what's going to power this unit up. So it actually sees that, and it can make decisions based upon how you've set this and where your temperature's set on the front of the unit. There is a circuit board in here, and there are things that can go bad, and it doesn't like irregular voltages and stuff like that. So we replaced this unit today with a simple snap switch unit. So this is a White Rogers for gas, oil, or electric heat, and it's basically just a simple snap switch unit. 2 conductor. There is a fan hookup, but we didn't use that today. That has a heat anticipator adjustment. I'll show you right here in the directions. Inside of this unit, there's actually a adjustment for the heat anticipator. So you're actually making an adjustment on a resistor inside of this unit. And there's a little dial there, so you can actually slow down how often it'll actually call for heat or speed up, depending on what you're looking to do. There are directions in this to do so, but most of these units say slower or faster. On this little dial here, there's a little adjuster, and that gives you your resistive adjustment for the heat anticipator. So hopefully this helps you guys out with any questions as far as that goes. Now, I also have in front of me here, there's another Honeywell digital unit, and this is heating and cooling as well. In the back, there's adjustments for gas or oil or electric or heat pump on here. So that'll actually give you some settings for your cycles per hour on there, which will be listed in your manual or directions. But just set it the way it's supposed to be set. So if you got gas or oil, put it on gas or oil. A lot of these units will also have differential settings in them. And what that does, in addition to like cycles per hour, the differential will actually allow the temperature to drop down or raise up a few degrees, and usually set them 2 to 4 degrees. You start going more than 4 or 5 degrees and you're actually burning more energy than you're saving. So the differential is adjustable in these units. This is programmable. You can have set points during the day for you to change. So that's a basic digital Honeywell unit. And then we have these smart units. This is an Amazon unit. So this will actually link up to your Alexa, your phone and whatnot. But don't forget, with these smart thermostats, you need 24 volt AC. So most of the time you wind up running a common conductor. So instead of having 2 wires for heat, you actually need 3. They do make power extenders for these that you can plug into outlets if you only have 2 wires. But just be aware that it may not be a direct hookup for what you're looking to do. These have a lot of features as far as economizing, and it'll change the temperature as you come and go from your home. So that's something else to look at for saving a couple bucks these days. But also, if you're away, this links up to your Wi-Fi, and you can actually see how warm your house is and all that stuff. So something nice to have in a home these days. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you would. God bless.